In this video, I will show you how to combine multiple PDF files into one single PDF in just a few clicks. The easiest way to do this is by using the website PDF24 Tools, which is a free online converter and PDF editor. Once you open the website, look for the option called Combine PDF. After clicking it, simply drag and drop all the PDF files you want to merge into one document. You can add as many files as you need. Once everything is uploaded, click the Combine PDF button and wait a few seconds while the website processes your files. After the conversion is complete, download the new PDF file, which will now contain all the documents you selected earlier merged together into one file. This is one of the easiest ways to organize multiple PDFs without installing any extra programs on your computer. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.